but a good question to ask somebody that's doing your loan, you want to find out two things. Number one, are you a 100% commission? And so I am a 100% commission mortgage loan originator. I am licensed with Barrett Financial. Barrett Financial didn't used to be, but now they're the largest broker in the state of Arizona and becoming the largest broker nationwide. They're in 49 states. And it's kind of like Remax. You know, Remax is really, really big,
Yeah.
but there's good Remax agents and there's bad Remax agents.
Sure.
And when you're dealing with a real estate agent, you're dealing with that person. You're dealing with that personality and their experience. And do they know the market? And can they negotiate your contract? You're not dealing necessarily with Remax. They're just hanging their license with Remax. And the
Right.
mortgage business has turned into that.
Similar.
So I hang my licenses with Barrett Financial, but you deal with me. And I do not make one penny unless the loan closes. And so that's a really important thing because I'm motivated to close your loan. And I am motivated to not submit a loan that's not going to close. So I'm very careful on what I submit because that thing's got to close because it's your house. You know, the
And it's
last
also
thing
your
I do
time. You know,
yeah, well,
you're
the last
investing
thing
it.
the worst call in the industry to make is sorry about the last 3.5 weeks, and I know you're supposed to close next Thursday, and you have your mover scheduled, but
Yeah.
we can't do your loan anymore. You don't qualify. It's like you don't
Yeah.
qualify. Why not? Well, the
Yeah.
underwriter said, there was something on your tax returns. Well, I gave you my tax returns 3 weeks, 4 weeks ago. Like,
Right.
why didn't
Right.
you tell me that 4 weeks ago? You had the
Right.
information. It's not new stuff. It's just uneducated people. And then the number two thing I would say is find out where people get where do they get their clients? And I get my clients for 20 years, 100% word of mouth. And so I'm a word of mouth referral guy. I have never purchased a lead from a
I was gonna
lead.
say you're not spending 20 grand a month in lead generations.
But there's so many people that are, and they're spending a ton of
Yeah.
cash